Welcome to the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice.
In part 1, we went through planning and measuring to make sure the Tyvek HomeWrap will fit safely and properly. If you haven't seen that yet, I've put the link down in the description below, or you can head over to my channel, The Novice Builder. Now in part 2, we're moving on to the next stage, the step-by-step installation of the Tyvek HomeWrap. Let's get started. First, let's gather the essential tools and materials for the installation. Tools you'll need: cap hammer, utility knife or scissors, measuring tape, and ladder or pump jack for the second floor. Materials you'll need: Tyvek HomeWrap rolls, 9 feet by 150 feet, the main barrier that blocks air and water while letting moisture vapor escape. Tyvek tape, used to seal overlaps, seams, and joints for a tight, weatherproof seal. Cap nails or cap staples, fasteners with plastic caps that hold the wrap securely and prevent tearing. And flashing tape, applied around windows, doors, and penetrations to seal edges and prevent water intrusion. Before starting, safety first. Wear your protective gear, check your tools, and clear the workspace. Section 1. Preparation. Before you begin, make sure the sheathing on your home is smooth, flat, and dry. Remove any nails, debris, or sharp objects that could damage the wrap. For a 2-story house, it's safest to set up scaffolding along the walls where you'll be working. Section 2. Installation. Start at the very top of the house on the second floor, just under the roof line or soffit. Unroll the Tyvek horizontally with the printed logo facing outward and fasten it with cap nails or staples every 12 to 18 inches along studs. Work your way down the wall in courses, overlapping each new run over the one above it by 6 to 12 inches. Then keep working downward in the same way: horizontal runs, shingle overlaps, and cap fasteners every 12 to 18 inches. This shingle-style overlap makes sure water always sheds outward. At windows and doors, cut an X in the wrap with your utility knife, fold the flaps inward, and staple them to the framing. These openings will be sealed later with flashing tape. Section 3. Sealing the seams. Once all walls are wrapped, seal every seam with Tyvek tape. Cover all vertical and horizontal overlaps and tape around window and door openings. Smooth it firmly to prevent wrinkles and air bubbles. Section 4. Final check. Finally, inspect your installation. Make sure all overlaps face downward to shed water, all fasteners are secure, and every seam is taped. The wrap should be tight and smooth with no gaps or tears. Now your home has a durable, weather-resistant barrier, ready for Hardie Plank installation. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete Tyvek installation playlist or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. Your support really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your questions, tips, or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.